In today's video, we are going to talk about Luel.ai. So guys, now on Luel.ai, you can simply get access to a whole lot of tasks using your mobile phone or your laptop. So guys, this is available everywhere. So now guys, I'll show you how you can simply sign up, how you can set up your account, how you can add your payment method, how you can simply get access to tax. So I want you to actually stick with me right to the end of this video. It is very important. All right, so now I'll simply click on this right here. Now sign up right to actually get started. So now the first thing you simply want to do is simply come here and enter your first name, your last name, your email address. Then you want to select your age, your gender. After that, you simply want to click on continue. What I want you to take note of this is that this is step 1 of 3. So you have to complete 3 steps before you actually create your account. So guys, I've created my account already. I'll simply click on sign in to actually log in. So right here, I'll enter my email. I'll simply click on send sign in code. So now the next thing after this is to simply go to my email and get the code, the sign-in code. All right. So I'll simply paste the code right here and verify and sign into my account. All right. As you can see, now we have one new tax available, which is paying 63 cents per hour. Well, before that, guys, I want us to actually go through the profile or the settings right there. So you need to go through your profile and make sure you have everything set up correctly. So you want to make sure your name is correct right here and your details, all right, the language is right here. You want to make sure you actually set it up properly, all right. So the languages you choose will determine the kind of tax you are simply going to get access to. So now if you speak Spanish, make sure you are sticking with Spanish if you are fluent at that language. So now I'll simply go with English and Yoruba right there. Now the recording devices right there, so you want to specify this is what I actually make use of. And now content you contribute. Now the kinds of recordings and media you want to work on. Now you want to specify also right here, and your location you want to specify, your age range you want to specify, also your gender, and of course guys, accent or dialect. If you speak California English, Nigerian English, American English, and so on, you want to also specify right here. Right now, the next one that I believe we should simply check out is the earnings right here. So now you simply want to set up your preferred payment method. Before you can withdraw, there's another thing you need to take note of. So you need $5, minimum of $5 in order to cash out. So we have this right there. So you can make use of Wise, paper, and so on right there. So as you can see right here, we have paper. So you simply want to click on the configure details right here. As you can see, I already set up my paper payouts right here. I have my legal name and my paper email address. So you simply want to click on save when you have your correct details right here. So if you are watching this video from Nigeria, you can now create a working paper that can send and receive money right here in Nigeria. So you can simply make use of paper and also Wise. So if Stripe is available in your country, you also want to go with Stripe. All right. So but right now paper is available in Nigeria, so I can choose to go with another option right there. So guys, but if you are watching from Nigeria, you can simply make use of PayPal, right? So you can also set up your Wise right here. You just want to make sure you have your legal name right here, your Wise email. So you want to get the Wise email, you can simply go to their website and set up the address, the city, your postcode, and also make sure you are choosing Nigeria if you are from Nigeria. If you are from India, make sure you choose India. If you are from Ghana, if you are from Kenya, you want to make sure you choose your country. After that, guys, you simply want to click on save. So right now, browse through the tax right there. Now we have the available tax. We have one available opportunity, and this is captured parametric modeling sections. And guys, this is coming soon. So now simply click on this to actually view this, the information. So guys, you simply want to prepare ahead for this. All right, so if you're here to create your account, if you're watching this video now, I want you to create your account as soon as possible so that you can simply participate on this particular opportunity. Now simply click on this to actually get more information about our card. All right, so now this is paying $8 per hour, 63 cents per minute. So now we can simply go through the instructions. Now you simply want to read through all this if you are really going to apply to this. All right, now we have the instructions right there, so please make sure you actually stick with me. Let's go through this together. All right, now if you want to record the modeling process from scratch in your card app, the value of each sample is the parametric history we capture as we build. Opening an existing part and just exporting it does not count and will be rejected. So now the payout $30 flat per approved submission. Quality matters more than length. A clean 5-minute take of a well model part is worth more to us than a 90-minute take dominated by scrapped work. Now, each sample must include this screen recording of your modeling work captured automatically by Luel.ai. Native card source, right here, native card source, step export, 2D drawing PDF, and so on. Now, the recording quality bar right here, you want to read carefully. Now, sharp, readable screen recording of this right here. Now, allow natural correction, reasonable pace, no idle padding, plausible path, read real export, and also the complexity bar right here. Now each part must have at least one sketch, at least 3 features, extrude plus fillet plus hole and so on. Now about the desktop recorder, this listing is captured through Luel trace. You can actually make your own research on this. All right, now a desktop app watches your file system during the recording and packages everything into a signed bundle. So you want to pick your card to below to see the exact menu part. Now the file size, bundles can be up to 8 gig. Long session recordings with full resolution screen capture are fine. If your session would exceed 8 gig, stop and submit it as a separate bundle. Now this opportunity is visible for preview only and submissions will open soon. So before the submission open, I want you to simply apply. All right, create your account as soon as possible right here on Luel so that you can simply get access to this. All right, so guys, please, I want you to like this video, please. It is very important so that YouTube can also suggest it to others like you. Make sure you actually subscribe if you are here to subscribe. And this is what I have for you in today's video. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.